The Magic Keyboard that Apple announced alongside the 2020 iPad Pro earlier this year will soon be available for other iPads as well, if a new rumor is to be believed. The leak comes from tipster L0 Vito Dream via Mac Rumors, who is usually spot on with their predictions. Thus, it's highly probable that the iPad Pro's Magic Keyboard will be coming to more iPad models. Currently, it works with the new 11-inch and 12.9-inch iPad Pro variants as well. The 2018 iPad Pro models, the third-generation 12.9-inch iPad Pro, and the first-generation 11-inch iPad Pro. Upcoming iPad Air could be the first non-Pro model to get the Magic Keyboard. The leaker didn't say which variant would be getting the Magic Keyboard first, but it could be the upcoming iPad Air. The rumored fourth-generation iPad Air will apparently borrow heavily from the 11-inch iPad Pro. It would likely include a USB-C port in place of a Lightning port, a mini LED screen, and an under-screen variant of Touch ID. The True Depth camera will likely not be included to prevent the price from ballooning. Predictions from famed analyst Ming-Chi Kuo suggest the new iPad Air would arrive in the second half of 2020. The display would measure between 11-inch and 10.8 inches if reports are to go by. The iPad Pro can attach to the Magic Keyboard magnetically, and it also has a USB-C port for pass-through charging. It features a floating cantilever design which makes its viewing angle adjustable. More importantly, it's not just a keyboard but also a stand, which means whether you are working on your desk and tucked up in your bed, it adapts accordingly. It has mostly open to glowing reviews, and its compatibility with more iPad models could help Apple further its share in the tablet market. That said, the iPad Air starts at $499, and the Magic Keyboard for the 11-inch iPad Pro goes for $299. So it's unclear how Apple would get the iPad Air target market to pay over half its cost for an accessory.